Hi, greetings from Khalid. Welcome to my channel Fiverr Crest Tutorials. Today I am gonna show you how to make a tailored order on Fiverr using custom offer. So in this tutorial I will cover the step-by-step process on how to place a custom offer on Fiverr. Showing right away, stay tuned. Welcome back to the session. When you want to order in Fiverr, sometimes the ready packages offered by the seller does not meet all of your requirements. In that case, you can ask for a custom offer to the seller. So I am showing you now how to request or make a custom offer order step by step. We also have another video on simply how to place an order on Fiverr. If you need it, you can check the link below this video after watching this. To make a custom offer, you need to sign in at first. So I am signing in to my Fiverr account. I am looking for YouTube thumbnail design services, so I am writing YouTube thumbnails in the search box. You can write your desired service related keywords also. Now YouTube thumbnail related gigs appear in the page. I can search for more optimized gigs applying search filter on category, service options, seller details, budget, duration, etc. Let me check this gig, attractive YouTube thumbnail design, see details on it. 2 orders in queue, so maybe it will take less delivery time for the order. There are 3 packages available like basic, standard and premium, but my requirement is something different than the offered packages. So to customize my requirements, let me click on Contact Me. Here I am writing a small note on my requirements and then send the message. Here this person is your seller who will accept and deliver your order. At first this person, that is seller, will see your message or requirements after the seller sign into Fiverr. So when your seller is signing into Fiverr account, seller will get your, that is buyer requirements in a message like this, and then based on buyer requirement for making a custom offer to the buyer, seller clicks here on create an offer button. It will pop up this window to create the custom offer by seller, and then seller selects the gig most relevant to buyer's requirement. Seller may want to get paid in either single payment or milestones. I am selecting single payment here. Now seller describes the custom offer notes here in brief. Seller can offer number of revisions, delivery time and pricing here for the custom offer. Seller can include additional offer features here also. And finally sends the offer to the buyer. Seller can withdraw the offer also by clicking on withdraw custom offer. Now after sign-in, buyer will get the offer from the seller here. Buyer will get an accept custom offer button like this. On confirming accept custom offer, buyer will get options to make payments for the order also. After login, seller will get order confirmation here from Fiverr. Seems like you already have an active order with the mentioned buyer. Click on order page to get the order communication page with the buyer along with all order activities and details. Order now, delivery time and detail activities is available over here on the communication page. By clicking delivery now, seller can initiate sending your deliverables in notes and attachments, etc. Therefore, in this tutorial, I have shown a complete step-by-step process on how to request, accept or place a custom offer on Fiverr. Hope that you enjoy the video. We have another tutorial on simply how to order on Fiverr. If you need it, you can check the link below this video. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe this channel and get in touch with Fiverr Crest for more awesome upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.